It's Raging Cajun Dipper here. Got me a whetstone here. So, yeah. Got me a, go ahead and dull this knife home on purpose. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty dull. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen this little Swiss Army knife. As I said in my last video, I normally use that AccuSharp knife sharpener. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even consistency. I've been sharpening knives for a good while now, so I know what knives are, what angle they're actually grinded at, just by looking at them. But yeah. So we're gonna start on this side again. Go ahead and use my shirt. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, that's much better. It's a lot sharper than using that AccuSharp hand knife sharpener. So yeah, that's basically how that works. My first knife sharpening video. I'm actually surprised on how well this Swiss Army knife actually sharpens, considering it is a Royal Crest Army knife, Swiss Army knife, and the steel isn't that good. Stainless China. So yeah. Not really hair cutting sharp, but sharp enough for what I use it for. I use this little Swiss Army knife to cut rope. So this little whetstone is my grandfather's. I don't know where he got it at. I think he got it from his dad, or he got it from somebody. I don't know who it was. He may have got it at a yard sale. But this little whetstone is pretty good for sharpening knives, even if you don't have the other set with it. It works really well. I use this knife sharpener for all my knives, well, most of my knives. Never had a problem with it. I even use this for kitchen knives. I sharpened like 4 kitchen knives last night. Got them all to a pretty good sharpening edge. They were paring knives, so they need to be sharpened because we use them for cutting potatoes. But yeah. So that is pretty much it for this video. Probably gonna make a video of this Halloween decoration I did yesterday. So yeah. This is Raging Cajun Dipper signing out.